Unleash your indoor garden's potential with the BESTVA BP4000. Tired of lackluster yields from your indoor garden? Discover how the BESTVA BP4000 LED grow light can revolutionize your plant growth with its advanced technology and efficient design. The BESTVA 2025 upgraded BP4000 LED grow light is designed for indoor gardening. It offers high efficiency, low power consumption, and superior light distribution. This grow light is suitable for both hobbyists and commercial growers. This advanced grow light ensures maximum yields while keeping energy costs low. We'll explore its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for indoor plant cultivation. Get ready to transform your indoor gardening experience. The BP4000 utilizes the latest LED technology for powerful light output. It provides uniform coverage, ensuring your plants receive optimal light. Compared to traditional HPS lights, it uses 50% less power and increases yields by 30%. The upgraded diode arrangement improves PPFD uniformity. LEDs are strategically placed around the edges for better light absorption. Adjustable dimming allows customized light intensity, and multi-light connection is available for commercial setups. The BESTVA BP4000 provides an excellent full spectrum that mimics natural sunlight. It includes 4000K white light for vegetative growth. Cool white and warm white light boosts healthy plant development. The 616 nm red light is essential for the flowering stage. It speeds up bloom cycles and improves yields. This uniform light distribution ensures deep penetration into the plant canopy. Designed for silent operation, the BP4000 is built with high-quality materials. It features an aluminum heat sink for efficient heat dissipation. The detachable driver is reliable and easy to replace. The fanless cooling system provides a noise-free growing environment. User-friendly packaging ensures safe delivery. These features contribute to the light's longevity and ease of use. BESTVA stands behind its products with a 3-year after-service warranty. They also offer local maintenance centers for support. This model guarantees long-lasting performance at an affordable price. If you encounter any issues, their support team is available to assist you. This commitment to quality and customer service makes the BP4000 a worthwhile investment. This light is ideal for all growers, whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or flowers. It adapts to all stages of plant growth. It's also cost-effective, saving electricity while increasing crop production. Adjustable dimming and multi-light connectivity make it easy to use for beginners and professionals. The light is reliable and durable, built with top-quality components for long-term use. Place the light 12-24 inches above your plants, adjusting based on their growth stage. Increase brightness for vegetative growth and reduce for seedlings. Connect multiple lights for commercial-scale growing. Keep the grow space between 50 degrees heat enough, 60 degrees heat for best results. Use 18 hours of light for vegetative growth and 12 hours for flowering. These guidelines will help you maximize your results. Customers appreciate the light fixture's brightness, performance, value, and build quality. Many mention that their plants thrive under the light. The dimmer switch is solid, and the light is easy to use. One user replaced their HPS 600W light and noticed better light distribution and cooler room temperature. Another user praised the easy installation and adjustable dimmer feature. These reviews highlight the light's effectiveness and user-friendliness. If you're looking for a high-quality, energy-efficient, and powerful grow light, the BESTVA 2025 upgraded BP4000 LED grow light is a top contender. With its full-spectrum lighting, adjustable dimming, and durable design, it's an excellent investment. Whether you're growing at home or on a larger scale, this light will help you achieve higher yields with lower energy costs. It's a game changer for indoor gardening. Don't wait any longer to experience the benefits of the BESTVA BP4000 LED Grow Light. Click the link to check the latest price and customer reviews on Amazon. See the BESTVA BP4000 on Amazon. Start growing bigger, healthier plants today